Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can check the flight status using the route in the Avianca application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the search button at the bottom of the page on the left. And then scroll down and at the flight status section, click on the check your flight status button. And if you scroll down, as you can see, there are two options to search by flight number or route. So now we need the route. And now just provide the departure and the destination country and the date of the flight, and then just click on the find flight button. And if you cannot find it, then just something is wrong. As you can see, it says that this route is affected, so maybe it's not available anymore. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.